All right, this is how to update our webinar campaign. So you have the copy delivered here, and there will be 4 places to update emails. So we have our invite, that's the initial broadcast that goes out. We have our didn't read, only change the subject lines emails. We also have our abandoned cart, and we have our confirmation. And lastly, we have our follow-up emails. The only ones to change are the attended but not registered sequence. Cool, so we'll start with the email invite. That information is here. Let me drop a note in. Cool, so in this engaged webinar invite, here's the email. And again, what we're going to do is we're just going to copy the entire email over, but we're only going to change the subject lines for the next 2 emails, Monday to Thursday and Friday morning. So that's how you drop in your invites. Note that the custom fields actually won't need custom fields yet. All good there. So moving on to the second place to update is the abandoned cart. So we'll go to that campaign or sequence. Here's the abandoned cart. They'll enter that by when they click on the button to register for the event. And here is the email to update for the abandoned cart. Once confirmed, we'll need to update a few confirmation emails. One, there's the immediate confirmation email. So if I go down here to registered, here's the immediate event confirmation. So that's where you'll update that email. Then we have the 1 hour before email. And that is here on event reminders. Here's the 1 hour before. Last place to look is the follow-up emails. So coming back a step here, we go over to attended, not registered conversion follow-up. So this means they attended, but they are not registered conversion follow-up. And it looks like we're going to update. This email goes out right away. So 3 minutes after the event ends will be this first follow-up email. And it looks like a second email here will go out Monday at 5. So I'd set that to 3 days because we can't do date field, we have to do a delay. And that should cover it. Oh, I wanted to show you the custom fields to use. So when you're in this registered, for instance, the event confirmation, you'll see we use these Zoom-specific custom fields for the when. So there's a Zoom webinar start date time, and for the where, there's a Zoom webinar invite link. So those are the custom fields you'll be using to merge in.